So just to kick the course off, what I thought it would be useful to unpack and have a little look at is, what's the purpose of a story? You may have heard me suggest in the previous video that every single story has a start, has a middle, and every story also has an end. But telling a story is kind of like taking someone or a group of people or your audience on a journey, isn't it? You're getting taken on a journey. You begin to identify with various characters in the journey. This natural forward notion of progression, as the character will move forward, make progress, perhaps reach this heightened state of understanding of his potential or her potential or his or her abilities or something like that. So if we were to consider what the purpose of telling a story is, well, it's actually just to communicate a message, isn't it? We've considered that it's a journey where we start somewhere, and the message that we tell will ultimately determine whether the people that we're telling the story to get to where it is that we want to take them, or whether they don't. So the purpose of telling a story is to communicate a message, to highlight an important point, or a fact, or a truth, or a principle, and ultimately to give someone else or your group of people or your audience a greater degree of insight into what it is that you already understand. Because get this, if these people are able to see what you see because of what you say, then they're going to get what you get. And if they get what you get, then they're going to understand what it is that you understand. And if your intended audience grows to understand what it is that you understand, then you've just told an effective story, because you've just taken people on the journey and got them to where it is that you want to be. So every story has a start, every story has an end, but this end, where it is that you want to take someone or a group of people, is actually entirely up to you.